Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and often perplexing world of crypto price predictions. It's a realm where speculation meets analysis and where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Price prediction, at its core, is about forecasting the future value of digital currencies like Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency that started it all; Ethereum, the platform that brought smart contracts and decentralized applications to the forefront; XRP, designed to facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border payments; Picoin, a mobile-first cryptocurrency project aiming to make crypto mining accessible to everyone; and Dogecoin, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency that captured the internet's attention. Unlike simple fortune-telling, which relies on intuition or chance, crypto price prediction is fundamentally based on analyzing data, historical charts showing past price movements, breaking news that could impact market sentiment, and broader economic trends, all meticulously examined to spot patterns and indicators that might suggest where prices might head next. It's about identifying potential opportunities and risks. The crypto market's wild volatility, characterized by dramatic price swings and unpredictable events, makes these predictions irresistible. The potential for quick gains fuels the desire to anticipate market movements. A right call, anticipating a surge in price, can mean big profits, rewarding the astute observer, while a wrong one, misjudging the market's direction, can lead to painful losses. That's why traders and investors constantly seek an edge, looking for any advantage they can find in this competitive landscape, scouring everything from detailed institutional reports, offering in-depth analysis from financial experts, to social media posts, where the latest trends and sentiments are often discussed and debated. But not all predictions are created equal. Some are based on sound analysis, while others are little more than guesswork. Quality and reliability vary wildly, making it crucial to discern credible sources from unreliable ones. Today we'll focus on three specific cryptocurrencies: XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin, three coins with very different stories, market capitalizations, and communities. We'll look at what they are, their underlying technology, and their unique value propositions, their recent price moves, examining the factors that have influenced their performance, and what analysts are saying for July 11, 2025. We'll delve into the expert opinions and forecasts surrounding these digital assets. Remember, no prediction is a guarantee. The future of crypto is uncertain, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Crypto is shaped by countless, often unpredictable factors, ranging from regulatory changes to technological advancements and shifts in market sentiment. Our goal? Give you a clear, balanced overview of the current predictions and the factors influencing them, so you can approach the market with confidence and make informed decisions based on your own research and risk tolerance. Let's quickly introduce our three coins, each with its own unique story and purpose in the vast world of cryptocurrency. We'll explore what sets them apart and why they've garnered so much attention. XRP, created by Ripple, is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a payment protocol designed to revolutionize how money moves globally. It is designed for fast, low-cost international payments, aiming to solve the inefficiencies of traditional banking systems. Think of it as a digital bridge, streamlining transactions across borders. Think of it as a bridge currency for banks and financial institutions, facilitating quicker and cheaper transfers than traditional methods like SWIFT. It's about making global finance more accessible and efficient. Picoin takes a different route, focusing on accessibility and mobile-first adoption. It lets users mine coins on their smartphones without the need for expensive hardware or technical expertise, making crypto accessible to millions who might otherwise be excluded. It's about democratizing cryptocurrency mining. However, it's still in a closed phase and not yet tradable on major exchanges, meaning its real-world value is yet to be determined. The project is focused on building a strong user base and ecosystem before launching on open markets. Dogecoin began as a joke based on the Doge meme, a lighthearted response to the seriousness often associated with cryptocurrencies, but it exploded into a cultural phenomenon used for tipping online and small transactions, fueled by a passionate online community and celebrity endorsements. It showcases the power of internet culture in shaping the crypto landscape. Each coin fills a unique niche. They cater to different needs and communities within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. XRP targets enterprise payments, aiming to streamline international transactions for businesses and financial institutions. Picoin democratizes mining, making it accessible to anyone with a smartphone, regardless of their technical background. and Dogecoin thrives on community and memes, demonstrating the power of social media and internet culture in driving cryptocurrency adoption. Their origins and purposes mean their price drivers are very different, influenced by a range of factors from technological advancements to social media sentiment. XRP is shaped by institutional adoption and legal news, as its success depends on partnerships with financial institutions and regulatory clarity. Picoin's value is tied to its community and development progress, as its success hinges on building a robust ecosystem and launching on major exchanges. Dogecoin's price is driven by social media and viral trends, making it a highly volatile asset susceptible to sudden pumps and dumps. These differences make them fascinating case studies for understanding crypto price prediction, highlighting the diverse factors that can influence the value of digital assets. Let's zoom in on XRP's recent performance. Over the past week, XRP traded between 46 and 48.5 cents, showing resilience after a market dip triggered by US inflation news. Buyers stepped in at 46 cents, pushing the price back up, but trading volume stayed moderate, no big speculative rush. The ever-present legal battle between Ripple and the SEC still looms large. Any news here can cause instant price swings. This week was quiet on the legal front, so XRP's moves mostly mirrored broader market sentiment. In summary, XRP is consolidating, holding key support and waiting for a catalyst, likely from the ongoing lawsuit. The market feels cautious, with traders watching both economic news and legal updates. No breakout yet, but the potential for a major move remains. XRP's stability is tentative, hinging on the next big headline. Analyzing Picoin's price is tricky, it's not officially tradable yet. Any prices you see are speculative IOUs, not real trades of the actual coin. The real action is in the community. Optimism is high as the team works toward launching the open mainnet. Progress on KYC verification is seen as a positive sign, fueling anticipation. IOU prices fluctuate wildly, but they're just placeholders, not true market value. For now, Pi's price is about user growth and development milestones, not dollars. Real price discovery will only start once Pi is listed on major exchanges. Now, Dogecoin, the meme coin with real staying power. This week, Doge dropped to 11.8 cents mid-week, then bounced back above 12 cents fueled by social media buzz. Its price swings are classic meme coin behavior driven by online chatter, not fundamentals. Trading volume spiked as retail traders jumped in, hoping for the next rally. No major project news, just the power of community and viral momentum. Doge outperformed many altcoins, testing resistance near 13 cents. Its high volatility is both a risk and an opportunity for traders. Dogecoin's moves are a reminder. Watch the internet as closely as the charts. For Doge, social sentiment is everything. So, what are the analysts predicting for July 11th in the ever-volatile world of cryptocurrency? Let's dive into the latest forecasts and see what the experts are saying about some of the key players in the crypto market. We'll be taking a look at XRP, Dogecoin, and Picoin, examining potential price movements and the factors that could influence them. Remember, these are just predictions based on current market trends and analysis, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. For XRP, analysts are closely watching its ability to hold above the 47-cent mark. This level appears to be a crucial support, and maintaining it is key for any potential upward momentum. If XRP can successfully hold above 47 cents, analysts suggest that this could pave the way for a push toward 48.5 cents, or even the psychologically significant 50-cent level. This bullish scenario hinges on XRP maintaining its current strength and attracting further buying interest. Of course, XRP's performance is also closely tied to the overall health of the cryptocurrency market, particularly Bitcoin. If Bitcoin stays strong and continues its upward trajectory, this will likely provide a tailwind for XRP and other altcoins. However, a break below the 47-cent support level could trigger a retest of the 46-cent area. This bearish scenario would indicate weakening momentum and potentially lead to further downside. Currently, market sentiment towards XRP is neutral to slightly bullish, suggesting a cautious optimism among traders and investors. However, it's crucial to remember that any news or developments related to the SEC and its ongoing regulatory scrutiny of the crypto space could dramatically alter the landscape in an instant. Regulatory clarity, or lack thereof, remains a significant factor influencing market sentiment. Given the current uncertainties, analysts anticipate cautious, range-bound trading for XRP in the short term, as traders await further clarity on market direction and regulatory developments. Turning our attention to Dogecoin, analysts are eyeing a potential breakout above the 12.8-cent level. This represents a key resistance point, and a successful breach could signal a significant shift in momentum. Should Dogecoin manage to break above 12.8 cents, the next target on the upside is projected to be around 13.5 cents. This level represents the next major resistance and could act as a magnet for price action. However, the likelihood of a breakout and sustained upward movement hinges heavily on social media buzz and trading volume. Dogecoin's price action is often driven by online trends and community sentiment. Conversely, a rejection at the 12.8-cent resistance level could send Dogecoin back down to test support around 12.2 cents, or even lower. This bearish scenario would suggest that the upward momentum is fading. It's important to remember that Dogecoin is generally considered a higher-risk, higher-reward investment due to its volatile nature and reliance on social media trends. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that are influenced by institutional news and fundamental analysis, Dogecoin's fate is largely tied to online hype and retail trading activity. Finally, let's take a quick look at Picoin. For Picoin, the situation remains largely unchanged. Its value remains purely speculative at this stage, as there is no official price action or trading activity until the launch of its open mainnet. Therefore, the primary focus for Picoin remains on community growth, ongoing development updates, and the progress towards launching its mainnet, rather than on short-term price fluctuations. In short, XRP and Dogecoin are both closely watching key support and resistance levels, which will likely dictate their short-term price movements. Meanwhile, Picoin continues to wait in the wings for its highly anticipated official debut on the open market. And finally, remember that these analyst predictions are just educated guesses based on current market conditions and technical analysis. They are not guarantees of future performance, and the cryptocurrency market is inherently unpredictable. Always conduct thorough research and exercise caution before making any investment decisions. Crypto markets are famously unpredictable. Technical and fundamental analysis help, but black swan events, unexpected news, hacks, or even a single tweet can upend everything. Coins like Dogecoin and XRP are especially sensitive to headlines and social sentiment. The market runs 24/7, so surprises can hit anytime, anywhere. No circuit breakers mean wild price swings are common. That's why risk management and skepticism are essential. Always be prepared for the unexpected and never invest more than you can afford to lose. New to crypto, here's how to cut through the noise. Learn the basics, how to read candlestick charts, spot support and resistance, and understand price versus value. Stick to reputable news sources. Avoid anonymous insider tips on social media. Always cross-check information before acting. Research projects thoroughly. Read white papers, check the team, and assess long-term potential. Start small, and consider using a demo account to practice trading risk-free. Mistakes are part of learning. Better to make them with virtual money. Building knowledge and confidence is your best first step in crypto. To wrap up, we've explored price prediction, XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin, each with unique drivers and risks. Today's outlook: cautious trading for XRP, volatility for Dogecoin, and a waiting game for Picoin. The key lesson: manage risk, do your own research, and focus on learning, not just chasing quick gains. Your best defense is knowledge and a disciplined strategy. Invest only what you can afford to lose and diversify to reduce risk. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and good luck on your crypto journey.